about 2 million years, we went from being higher primates, hominids, to being true humans, as truly human as you and I tonight. What the hell happened? Once we learned to speak, we began to name everything we could see, until we saw the impossible.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Hey everyone, how did you like the film you just watched? This is a fully AI-generated film showcasing the incredible capabilities of artificial intelligence in storytelling. With Sora's advanced features, we brought this unique vision to life, exploring the evolution of humanity and the profound impact of AI on our future. If you enjoy AI films like this one, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll be uploading all the upcoming AI wonders and films that push the boundaries of creativity. Thank you for watching. Remember, AI is the future, and the future is now. See you in the next video.